The 2026 World Cup isn't just about goals and glory, it's a chess match of tactics, innovation, and tactical genius. Teams like England are already proving that smart football can win games, as they transition from frustration to dominance in their group stage. But who else will rise? We're diving deep into the minds of these tacticians, the formations that will shape this tournament, and why certain teams aren't just playing to win, they're playing to outsmart. But it's not just the experienced tacticians calling the shots this World Cup, it's a new generation of young stars like Jude Bellingham, leading by example. Mexico's aggressive pressing traps opponents in their own half, while the USA's counterattacking speed leaves defenses scrambling. This is football at its most electric, where home advantage isn't just about noise, it's about control. Now, let's shift our focus to one of the most tactically intriguing matchups in this tournament, Colombia versus Portugal, two teams with distinct styles but a shared determination to claim their group's top spot. Colombia, under the guidance of their experienced coach, will likely rely on their dynamic midfield and attacking creativity, while Portugal, with their usual flair for possession-based football, aims to control the game from the start. But as they face tougher opposition in the knockout stages, will England's counter-attacking mastery hold up, or will they need to evolve even further? The pressure is on, and Bellingham leads by example. But what happens when defensive steel clashes with offensive brilliance? Teams like Croatia and Ghana have mastered the art of shutting down attacks while maintaining fluidity in their own play. On the flip side, nations like Colombia and Portugal rely on relentless pressure and creative midfield control to break even the sturdiest defenses. The 2026 World Cup will reward those who find that sweet spot, where defensive organization doesn't strangle counterattacks, and offensive firepower. But in the end, it won't just be about style, it'll be about who can adapt, evolve, and outsmart their opponents when the stakes are highest. So who do you think will emerge as the smartest team in this tournament? Drop your predictions below, and if you loved this deep dive into tactics, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Let's see which team cracks